today's video, Saturday, October 18. Supposedly, wala tayong gagawin na work, but natengga ako sa parang tamad day. Nakahilata lang ako kanina. Simula nang gumising ako, kumain lang, tapos hilata. Wasting my time on social media reels na hindi naman nakakatulong sa pag-grow natin to much better self. So yun, naisipan kong instead na ubusin yung oras ko kaka-scroll, why not mag-edit ako ng video sa client ko na may stock na mga footage na to be edited. And sa team ko din na to, sila na mag-work daw ako ngayon, but hindi pa nila nabibigay yung project na intended for today. Sabi nila midday daw, so probably around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. today mabibigay. So I decided na simulan ko na lang yung mga other contents na pinag-i-edit ko sa branding ng agency owner na kung saan ako belong. Kasi mga content siyang din pinag-upload. Tsaka nagkaroon batch, yun na yung binigay niya sa akin. So pwede kong gawin as many as I can ngayong araw. May stock na akong isa, may treasure na akong isa. So Monday may mapapasa na ako. Tapos ito pang gagawin ko for Tuesday, kasi 1 video a day. And that's it. So instead na mag-edit ako sa mga gantong contents niya, ginawa ko siyang portfolio edits. Balak ko kasing i-update yung website, so good siya ilagay sa website. 3 yung ginawa ko, itong ganyan. So pakita ko sa inyo yung itong number 3. Quickie lang.
You ever gone on holiday and forgotten about a plan, and you come back and it's all withered away and it looks awful? Well, you could give it attention and care and it will come back to life. But so many people default to throwing it out and giving up on it. It's a bit like life. You can be so far gone in one direction that you feel it's impossible to ever get you to your desired outcome, that you just don't even try. But in reality, it's entirely possible. Like if you're severely overweight, or you think it's too late to go back to school, or if you know you need to make a big change in business, it isn't too late.
Alright. Pero mag-edit na ako ng task kasi may binigay na sa akin yung client for today. So yan, nag-email na sila. Unfortunately, hindi na-update yung access, kaya hindi ko ma-access yung link. Na-request ko pa. And sana goods lang yung project na gagawin. And nalilito lang ako dito sa mag-a-ask pa ko ng instructions kung ano yung gagawin, ganun. Kasi hindi sinama yung instructions kung ano yung gagawin, ano yung video, ganun. Bigay lang sila ng file. Tatanungin ko pa mamaya kung ma-access ko na kung ano yung gagawin, kasi walang instructions. But I expect na yung mga before projects namin is related lang dito, like sa Realtor, tapos kay QWERTY. So yun, let's see kung anong mangyayari susunod. So just a quick update. Ito na yung project, yung reference project, kung ano yung expected na mangyayari. Yan yung reference.
Investment to perform beyond expectation. See what I did there? Beyond might just be the sweet spot for your entry into Dubai's luxury real estate market. Backed by...
So basically, parang talking head lang din sa real estate na client nung ginawa ko nung nakaraan. So let's see, let's do it now. Oh my god, yung project natin today is audio lang yung raw footage. First time edit naman ng ganito. Check nyo. Ayan, no. Ito lang yung given. Hindi pala talking head, mali pala ako. Ay.
It's actually enabled us to celebrate it even further. Lumina Alta, not only give
No. Hindi pala yan. Ito pala. Sa baba.
Office building, 5-star hotel in the heart of the best business location in Dubai, Business Bay. There are thousands of finance and tech companies relocating to Dubai.
So yung instruction sa akin is ilagay-lagay daw on top yung mga assets na binigay nila. More on PDF. Ewan ko, di ko pa na-check kung may mga videos ba. Pero isa pa lang yung nakita kong video na about sa project na to. So let's see anong makaka-come up natin dito na konsepto para magawa nating buo yung content. Let's go. So far, ito pa lang yung nagawa natin. Captions tapos putting ng mga clips sa audio.
Lumina Alta is a fantastic grade A office building and 5-star hotel in the heart of the best business location in Dubai, Business Bay. There are thousands of finance and tech companies relocating to Dubai, and there's a real lack of prime office space, with 100 to 200% price increases recently. Commercial rental yields are at 14 to 15% a year. Lumina Alta is 380 meters tall, 73 floors in total, and the location gives access to Sheikh Zayed Road and 2 metro stations on its doorstep. Offices are on 45 floors, many with terraces. A 5-star hotel has 16 levels. The retail is on 5 floors. Indoor pools, gyms, business center, spa and restaurants are the amenities, and the sky pool at 355 meters tall is a Guinness World Record. 1,000 car parking spaces and a superb payment plan at 50/50. A prestige building and landmark location in Dubai.
So yun na muna for the concluding part of yesterday's video. I would say yesterday because right now it is 3:30 AM na, kasi galing pa kaming lamay na tinatawag. So ngayon kauwi ko lang. So ang update dun sa ginagawa kong task is goods, nahabol ko naman. Tapos may pinagawa din silang Spanish version nun, but yun nagawa din natin Saturday. So bali 2 videos, tapos may isa pa silang pinapagawang tawag nito, montage. Hopefully magawa natin yun para bukas mag-send na tayo ng invoice na masisend natin, at para yan, kita na naman tayo. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.